In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a word in Google Docs. This is a straightforward and essential skill to enhance your productivity when working on documents. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser on your computer. It could be any browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is up and running, navigate to your search bar and type in Google Docs. Hit Enter, and you'll see Google Docs pop up in your search results. Click on the link to Google Docs, and it will take you to the Google Docs homepage. Now that you're on the Google Docs homepage, it's time to log in. Use your email address and password to sign into your Google account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, just enter your credentials and hit Login. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your Google Docs files, or a prompt to create a new document if you don't have any yet. Let's say you already have a document you're working with. Click to open it and let it load fully. Now, with your document open, look towards the top of your screen where you see the menu bar. You're going to locate and click on the Edit option from this top menu. This will open a drop-down menu with several editing options. In this drop-down menu, find and select the option labeled Find and Replace. This handy feature allows you to search for words within your document quickly. Once you've clicked on it, a new dialog box will appear on your screen. You'll notice a field labeled Find in this dialog box. Here, type in the word or phrase that you're looking for. As soon as you enter your word, Google Docs will highlight all instances of this word throughout the document, making them quite easy to spot. In case you're interested in not just finding but also updating the text in your document, there is even more you can do. Look right next to the Find field, and you'll see another field marked Replace With. If you want to replace the word you're searching for with something new, type the new word or phrase into this Replace With box. Once you've entered the replacement text, you have a couple of options. You can choose to replace one instance at a time by clicking Replace. If you want to update all occurrences of the word or phrase across the entire document, click Replace All. This feature is particularly useful for quickly updating repeated terms or correcting consistent spelling errors. With these steps, you're armed with the knowledge to search and replace words in Google Docs efficiently. Keep practicing this essential feature, and you'll soon find it second nature to manage your documents swiftly. Thank you for tuning in.